Hey, what's up, guys? What if I told you that there was one application that you could download on any Amazon Fire Stick in just a few minutes that would give you all of the brand new movies and TV shows absolutely free? If you stick with me for just a few minutes, I'm going to walk you through step by step everything it is that you're going to need to know so that you can download this amazing application and get all of your entertainment for free and stop paying all of those overpriced subscription fees to these guys. If you want to know how you can install this app on your Fire Stick, well, just sit right there because I'm about to show you how to do all of it right now. All right, guys, so you're excited and ready to download that amazing app I was just telling you about that gives you all of your movies and TV shows absolutely free. But I'm also going to show you how you're going to have the ability to download even more apps that give you free live TV, sports, pay-per-view, and much more. Let's jump right into this and I'll show you how it works. The very first thing that we need to do is download just one app from the Amazon App Store. And the easiest way to search through the entire App Store for just one app is simply push left on your remote until you're on this magnifying glass right here. Then we're going to push down and click our center button. It's then going to bring up a keypad allowing us to type out whichever app it is that we would like to search for. But you'll also have the option to hold down the microphone button and speak right into the remote like shown right here. All you need to do is hold down the button and say, Downloader. It'll then take you right to the Amazon App Store to this bright orange app. Let's go ahead and click on that. Now we're going to have the ability to download this on our device. Just click your center button one time and the download process will begin. Give it just a few seconds for the installation to finish up, and when everything is done, it'll say open. But I don't want to open the app just yet because there's something else that we need to do before we open the app. We're just waiting for it to say open like this. Once you see that it says open, what I would like for you to do is click the home button on your remote. The next thing that we need to do is go and change just one setting. And the easiest way to get into all of your settings is simply slide all the way over to the very end. And when you do, a menu will appear on the bottom half of your screen. What we want to do is slide down and we want to click on My Fire TV. Now right here, you might notice I have something called Developer Options. If for any reason that your screen does not have this, don't worry, I'm going to show you how to get it. All you need to do is come up here and click on About. Now right here where you're highlighted on your device, simply click the center button on your remote about 8 times. So we're just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you'll see this little pop-up that says, congratulations, you are a developer, or no need, you're already a developer. Either way, we're just waiting to see the pop-up. Once you saw that pop-up, then you can click the back button on your remote, and now Developer Options will be on the menu. So let's go ahead and open Developer Options. The first thing that you're going to see is ADB debugging. All you need to do is click your center button one time, and you can turn it on just like that. Now we're going to come down and we're going to click on Install Unknown Apps. As you see right here, Downloader is on this list, and it's currently turned off. All we need to do is click our center button one time and turn it on just like that. All right, that's all the settings that we need to change. So let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. The next thing that we need to do is go and find that brand new Downloader application that we just installed. The easiest way to find all of the apps on your device is simply slide over almost to the end onto that icon and click on it. This will bring up all of the applications that you have on your device. As you continue to install new apps, they always go to the very bottom of the list. So all you need to do is scroll down through the bottom, and the very last app will be the one that we downloaded, Downloader. All right, so what I would like for you to do is go ahead and open that app. Now you might be greeted with this little pop-up. Just click your center button and that will go away. All right, guys, so welcome to the Downloader app. This application allows you to go along the internet to almost any website it is that you would like to visit. All you need to do is click your center button 2 times. Once, twice. A keypad will pop up, allowing you to type out whichever web address it is that you would like to visit. Today, I want to take us to one website in particular. I'll throw it on the screen as I spell it. All right, so now that you have that entered correctly, just click right there where it says Go. Now you'll notice I have a red circle on my screen, and if I move up and down and left and right, I can move that red circle anywhere I like. What I would like for you to do is move that red circle down. So we're just gonna go down just a little bit, and we're looking for this box. So then move that circle and put it on that box anywhere and click the center button. The download process will begin automatically. As soon as the download's finished, it's gonna ask for you to go through the installation. Just slide over and click Install. Once the installation is finished, what I would like for you to do is slide over and click Done. By clicking Done, it's going to bring us back here so that now we have the opportunity to delete this unnecessary file. So we're just going to slide over and click Delete, slide over and click Delete. All right, guys, well, that's everything we need from the Downloader app. Let's go ahead and click the Home button on our remote. The next thing that we need to do is go and change another setting. And if you remember from before, the easiest way to change any setting is slide all the way to the end. The menu appears. We're going to slide down, and again, we're going to click on My Fire TV. You might be right back where we left off. Go ahead and click the back button. And I want you to click on Install Unknown Apps one more time. And this time, you'll notice that Unlinked has appeared on the list. Let's go ahead and click our center button and turn Unlinked on. We need to make sure that both Downloader and Unlinked are turned on for this process to work. All right, so now that we've done that, let's go ahead and click the Home button. Because just like before, we need to go and find that brand new Unlinked app that we just installed. And just like before, we're just gonna slide over almost to the end, click on that icon, all of our apps come up, and the last app that we installed always goes to the very bottom of the list. All right, let's go ahead and open Unlinked. Now right here, it's gonna say add a new library. Just click your center button, click your center button one more time, and a keypad is gonna pop up, allowing you to enter the code to any library it is that you would like to visit. Guys, I have spent a lot of time and energy creating my very own app store just for my viewers, giving you only the very best applications when it comes to streaming all of the brand new movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, pay-per-view, and much more. And all I ask in return for all of my hard work of creating the store, making sure the store is up to date, creating this video, is that you're kind enough just to take a second and hit that subscribe button. That tells me thank you for all of the hard work that I put in just to give it all away for free. So thank you for each and every person who has subscribed. Now that you are a subscriber, go ahead and enter this code right here. All right, so now that you have that code entered correctly, just click right there where it says Next. And guys, welcome to my very own personal app store that my viewers have exclusive access to. Now, really quickly, a lot of you have asked me, what is my favorite app for this or that? Guys, I've made my top 5 favorite applications and I put them on a list right here for you. So it depends if you want to go and watch pay-per-view or live TV or sports, it would determine which app would be best for you. Also, please take just a second and read the information down here about the importance of a VPN. Please take a second, read everything, and once you do, what I would like for you to do is click your center button 2, maybe 3 times. By hitting the center button on your remote just a few times, it's going to break my store into different categories for you. You can slide up and down to go through the different categories, or left and right to slide through the different applications. But in today's video, I wanted to show you one of the most popular applications available for you to enjoy free movies and TV shows, and that is the Cinema HD app. All you need to do is highlight the application that you would like to download, click the center button, and then click right there where it says Download. Give your system just a second and the download process will begin. You'll get a little percentage right here that shows you how fast that the download is working. And once it reaches 100%, it's going to ask for you to go through the installation. All you have to do is click Install App. Slide over and click Install. Once the installation is finished, it's going to bump you right back into the store so that then you can continue to download even more applications. All right, let's do that one more time. We downloaded the amazing Cinema HD app. But now I would like for you to download the IPVanish VPN. It is by far my #1 recommended application when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying all of this entertainment for free. All right, so again, we're gonna click download. We're gonna give it just a second. The download process will begin. And just like before, we're just waiting for it to reach 100%, and then it's gonna ask for us to go through the installation. And when you see the pop-up, just click Install App. Slide over and click Install. And again, just wait a few seconds for the installation to finish up. And once it does, it's going to pop you back into the store. Guys, you're already in the store. This store is loaded with over 40 different applications for you to choose from. Please feel free. All of the applications are free to download. Try out as many of them as you like to see which ones work best for you. So now that you've downloaded everything it is that you would like from my store, what I would like for you to do is click the Home button. Because just like we've done before, I want to go and find all of those apps. So just slide all the way over almost to the end and click on that icon. Then we're going to slide down to the bottom to find all of our brand new apps. Now what I would like for you to do is highlight one of those apps that you've downloaded today. Then click those 3 dashes on your remote right next to your Home button. When you do, a little menu will pop up. Then we can slide down and click where it says Move to Front. And it's going to take the application from the very bottom and put it at the very top. I want to do that just 2 more times. I'm going to hit the 3 dashes and move to front. I'm going to hit the 3 dashes and move to front. Now you can move these applications around in whatever order is going to work best for you. But I want to show you what moving the apps from the bottom to the top does for you and your device. So let's go ahead and click the Home button. So right here, from your home screen where you begin each and every time, you're going to have access to those brand new apps. This app right here is Unlinked. That's my store. So if you want to go back and try out some new apps or get some updates to existing apps, you're going to have easy access right here from your home screen to do that. Then right here is that brand new IPVanish VPN that we just installed. Now guys, I know you're excited and you want to go and open up all of those apps and watch free movies and TV shows. But before I ever open any of those other apps, I always make sure I turn my VPN on first. So let's go ahead and open our VPN. Now right here, it will ask you for a username and password. If for any reason that you don't already have an account with IPVanish, don't worry, I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is log into any internet browser that you might have and go to this website right here. Or you can take out your phone and take a picture of the QR code in the corner. Also, if you would like, you can scroll down through the description or the comment section. I'm going to leave a link there for you too. Either way, it doesn't matter how you get there. They're all going to take you to the IPVanish website. From there, you can discover more information about a VPN, what it does, why it is so very important. Then you can select the plan that works best for you. Once you do, they're going to email you your very own username and password for you to log in. I'm going to enter mine and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Again, it is by far my #1 recommended application to keep you 100% safe and secure. Not only does it do that, it also bypasses all of those restrictions that your own internet provider is putting on you and all of your devices. Speaking of devices, I know a lot of you have been asking, how many devices can I connect on just one account? Well, guys, the answer is unlimited. That's right. It doesn't matter how many phones, tablets, computers, or whatever you have in your house, you can connect all of it simultaneously to just one account with IPVanish. Now, really quickly, before we hit the word connect, I want to show you just a couple things in the settings. So what I would like for you to do is hit right on your remote and click on that gear icon. When you do, a little menu will appear on the half of your screen. Right here, I'm highlighted where it says connect on Android startup. Now, if I click and turn that on, that means that I don't have to constantly remember if I've turned the VPN on or not. It's going to automatically connect to the VPN every time I turn my device on. So that way I don't have to remember, oh, did I turn it on or not, and have to stop the movie or the show to go back and check. It does it for me, which I love that feature. Also, down here at the very bottom, you're going to have all of your account information, and you're going to have the ability to contact support if you have any questions or concerns about their product or their service. All right, I wanted to make sure that you knew where all of that information was. So let's go ahead and click the back button. Now, what we can do is click right there where it says connect. We're going to have a little pop-up. Just slide down and click OK. Then give your system just a few seconds. When you see the country light up in green, you know that you're protected. Now, it also has a little timer that says how long you've been connected, and it says connected here. So guys, once you are connected, all you need to do is click the home button on your remote. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you connected and protected while you go and open all of those amazing apps that you downloaded from my store today. I would love to open this app and show you how all of it works, but unfortunately, YouTube won't allow me to do that. So please take your time, open the app, check it out yourself. It is truly amazing. It's one of the most popular streaming apps available. Also, I would love to hear from you in the comments section below. If you have questions, or if you want to give me a comment about the video or the app or anything, I love reading all of your comments down below. I answer each and every one of you. So please don't be shy, leave me a comment. You can also give this video a thumbs up. You can ring the notification bell if you never want to miss a video. But above all that, guys, I would love it if you were to share this video with a friend. That way they too can have all of this amazing entertainment for free, just like you do. If you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and tell me thank you for all of the hard work that I give away absolutely free. All right, guys, well, thanks again for you spending your time with me today, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in the next video.